Right here we got our poles, some tip-ups, some more poles, the auger, the shanty, some chairs, and some more tip-ups. And then here we got our minnow bucket and everything else we need. So here we got some assorted snacks like some water, Cheetos, fruit snacks, apples, Coke, and these are very important, the Tostitos chips. Right here we got our bait. We get about 2 dozen perch minnows and 2 dozen tip-up minnows, and then 3 dozen waxworms. See if you can't jig up a nice one. Oh God. You got one? Oh yeah. Oh, did it? Yeah. Nice. Nice little perch to start things off. Let's send it back. There you go. Nice. We got one little perch. Oh yeah, you can almost see the bottom. It looks like that you kind of can. Got some bait. Let's go. I'm just using a little waxworm. Cut that one out a minute. I might change it up here in a bit. I don't know. See if she gets more bites. Oh, nice. That's a lot of ice. Oh no, you just got stuck. There we go. What? Let me try. Here, let me see. Here.
Okay, well, that I know.
What do you got? Careful. Oh, a little bit bigger. Maybe get a minnow on my rod. There we go. He's a little bit more lively than the other one. Well, I can't take a... Oh yeah, there's a fish on. See how it's... Got it. What do we have? Yeah, there's one. Oh, nice perch. Oh, that's a keeper.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
That's a...
If you catch another one like that, you try fishing with your pole?
Yeah. Please. Open your mouth. Come on. That was a big minnow.